on the move, and this is our new highway leading to सुखविलास. सिर्फ बादल जी की प्रॉपर्टी के लिए इतनी बढ़िया सड़क जो आप देख पा रहे हैं रात को, उन्हीं की करम है. और मतलब ठीक है यार, जैसा भी इट्स वेरी नाइस. आई एम एंजॉइंग द राइड and we are off, and it's around 4:26 a.m. Today is Wednesday, so we'll be reaching Manali by, we hope to reach by 11 and start our work. Look, so many lights. Ta-da! We started our journey from Chandigarh around 4:30 and we are here. It's around 7:15. It's Wednesday morning, and we'll be heading over to Manali, then collect all the stuff, rent our equipment, buy the eating stuff, and get all the required prerequisite for our trip. This would be a trip till we'll be going to Deodabba. We'll not be climbing the peak, but we'll be going till there's a col. It's our target to climb the col, and if possible to move ahead. That's all. So I'll be making a short movie or a short documentary, you can say. It's a documentary. I don't know if it's a documentary or not, but with the aim of providing some knowledge and giving you insight those who are planning to go on a mountaineering trip or a peak climbing trip to Deodabba. It's a 6,000 meter peak, and let's see how it goes. Good morning. Okay, this is Thursday morning and we are at Rest Camp Manali, and we have packed all our stuff. We are ready to have our breakfast and then move out. Okay, it's a little overcast today, and let's see how the weather goes, because it's all dependent on weather and nothing else. And on us, definitely. ये हमारी इको है जिसमें हम लोग जाएंगे. सन्नी बैठा हुआ है पीछे. ओके, अभी हम मनाली में ही हैं और ये हमारा सारा सामान है इको में, जो कि बहुत मुश्किल से पूरा आया है. हमारे पास सामान ज़्यादा है तो 3 पोर्टर्स हैं. 3 पोर्टर्स को बाकी सामान काफ़ी सारा हो गया. तो बाकी अभी हम लोग थोड़ी देर में निकलेंगे और देखते हैं कितनी देर में पहुँचते और ट्रैकिंग शुरू करेंगे. वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द परमिशन एंड आई डोंट नो, पहले परमिशन ले लेनी चाहिए थी, पर हमें था कि ये परमिशन इजीली मिल जाएगी, पर हम लोग कहीं नहीं यहाँ रुके हुए हैं. दिस इज़ द बैरियर. So there's no other choice. We have to wait, and we are waiting for past 20 minutes, and it's presently 10:36. So let's see कितनी जल्दी फ्री होते हैं यहाँ से. Hello guys, we are still in Manali. we are still in Manali. Actually, somehow we took wrong route and went to Hamta Pass, and it took around 1.5 hours to go up and 45 minutes to come down. So now we are at the same place where we started around 10:30. Wasted our time for getting a permit around for 1 hour, and now another thing has happened. गाड़ी का तेल खत्म हो गया है and we are waiting for somebody. We are still not on the trek and we have to cover long distance and we are hungry, but still I think we won't be having a lunch. We'll eat something which we can get something handy from the shop, and let's see how I'll make new next video when we get down from the car. So it's part of the trip. Surprises makes the trip better. We have reached the place and it's 3:11 and altitude of 2665 according to my watch. It must be 100 or 200 meters more, and this is the place, and that's the way we'll be heading along this ridge, going that way and behind that mountain. Okay, this place is known as Dwangan Weir, I think. It's a weir site and it's all hazy. So we'll start with all our luggage. We have 3 porters and 3 bags with us. So I'll make the next with you when we'll reach the base camp. Okay, bye bye. It took us around, it's 10 kilometers from the road, main road, and you need to take some permission from SDM Manali. So you can't head here right away. So if any one of you are planning to come here, take the required permission beforehand. Yeah. So the snow. And we have started walking, and this is the trail. I'll keep on making some videos in between to give you an idea. We'll be heading on left bank till Chika. Okay. These are beautiful flowers out of nowhere. All the leaves are out. Leaves have been shedded, but look at these beautiful flowers. It just looks like a scene from a Chinese movie in which all the fighters start flying in between the trees, and these trees looks like the same. Okay, we will be reaching in Chika about 5-10 minutes, so we'll be camping there.
Hello, this is me, Abhishek, and here we are. We have reached our first camp, Chika. We started at around 3:10 and it took us around 1 hour 10 minutes approximately. In 10 minutes we'll be there. It's been 1 hour already, and the last ridge there is Seri, and it will take us around 4 hours tomorrow, and then we'll be going to Tenta. This is our plan, but we are not sure what will happen. Let's see. If everything goes well, we'll be Tenta by tomorrow evening. So here are other two members which are proceeding towards Chika. Chika seems nice, and I must tell you, in rainy season it's all green, it's very beautiful, and also in the month of April there is snow all around. It's again tremendously beautiful. So the best months to visit this place is April, May, June. This is not the right time actually, but for winter trekking this is adequate. Okay.
This is Friday 23rd, and we had a very comfortable night as we were staying here, and the weather is clouded and it's not that much cold due to the clouds. We'll be heading out soon. It's 7:45 right now. We had a breakfast, and most probably we'll be having something for lunch which we don't need to cook, and we'll be going till Tenta. It will take us around 6-7 hours to reach there.
Hi guys, I'm taking this opportunity to comb my hairs. Although
all you need to walk is along the stream, which is there, and move along the stream till that ridge, and it's a clear path. There won't be any trouble in finding the path. There's Chika. Okay, we are about the midpoint of Seri, and look at the river is frozen, starting to freeze. It's Varun. What's up? Weather is still cloudy. We are hoping that it would clear down. There is some patches of little snow, and we'll be camping at Seri because nothing, maybe Tenta.
This is Amit taking out his camera to take the pic, and here are we about to reach Seri in about 15-20 minutes. Beyond that big stone which you can see in the mid of the shot, and to the right is above there. This is the direction where we came from, and the distance are the ranges in continuation with the Manali, old Manali, and probably the Dhauladhar. And this is it. I've decided not to use and anymore in sentences. It's clicking the photographs. So we'll make another video hopefully at Seri or at Tenta. Take care. Bye.
In that place, in that wall, you can see the waterfall. You need to climb from its right side and over it. That's your Tenta, and you go back and walk for another 2 hours to reach the base camp of that ridge. That col. That's a Tongan col. And look here, it's all frozen. All frozen.
Blue ice.
Not blue ice. Blue ice is blue in color.
Blue.
Okay. This is the way we have come, and this is approximately Seri.
And here we are at the Seri. There are vast grounds, as the name says. Very pretty, and we can very well imagine how good this region would be in the month of June, July. This is beautiful. It seems like prairies, frozen rivers. It's a big river. Last time when I came, it was all glacier, no stones at all. So it was hard to recognize the actual Tenta. But now, as we have already shown you, Amit Thakur clicking my photograph, and Tenta there, and Dongan Col, and the ridge of Deotiba faintly visible in the distance. That's all. See you again. Bye.
Okay, this is the Seri, and it's so pretty. You can see a small frozen lake there, and it's vast. Okay. Father. I think that ridge, snow-covered ridge, leads to Jagatsuk, and this, you're planning to climb this one and go backwards. Let's see how it goes. Oy. It has been little tiring, but not too much. We'll be camping. We will make food or lunch, whatsoever, brunch. We'll cook here, then we'll move ahead because all of us are hungry right now. Okay, we have started walking from Seri, and to reach Tenta, we need to climb from here and go back that wards. There you can see beautiful snow, beautiful waterfall, and it's overcast. It's coming. Okay. It has been 20 minutes and we are up somewhere in middle. It's a beautiful view. Okay, those who climbing to Tenta, you need to keep on right side of this and start climbing up. Avoid these big rocks and these big rocks and just keep on climbing. There's no definite path. That's all. Here we've reached on top of the climb, and there's a Sunny, Abhishek, and let me show you what does it feel to have a first look beyond this 200 meter hike. The valley, it will open, and we'll be camping here once we get down from here. It's very cold. Oh, it's nice. Oh, we have reached a place where we'll be camping tonight. We are tired. There's the Otuba up. Oh, there's the ridge. There's somewhere there is a Dongan Khol. Hello, Alan. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? बोल नहीं रहा तो कुछ. हाँ दिखा दे. आगे रुकेंगे. We'll be camping somewhere ahead. Let me give you the proper view of this valley. So, snow. It snowed around 2 weeks earlier, I think. There's still leftover snow, but it's heavily overcast. I don't know. We are praying that it should not snow tomorrow night. Okay, here's the valley, the whole view. Oh, it's nice. Look at the place where you can camp. Okay, it has been nice. We'll now eat something and rest for today. This will be our camp here. There's Abhishek and we are on Tenta. We're walking. There's a big river or Nala, Jagatsuk Nala. It takes long time to cross it because it's already frozen. Not fully frozen, partially frozen. That's Norbu. That one. We'll be camping on the big rock there. So we can shield ourselves from wind and cook easily. Tomorrow morning we'll attempt. We'll go if possible to Kol if there are not very much crevasses or too much crevasses there. And it's nice to be here. And this whole view energizes a lot. The other two portals. So there's the big glaciers. This is the base camp for if you wish to attempt Deotibba up there. We'll be camping here. Now let me show you how does it look. Big glaciers. It's around 41-42 meters here.
Yo!
And it's mesmerizing.
Video now is not fucking interested in my comments.
No, definitely we are interested in your comments. How do you feel, Mr. Varun Manchanda?
Beautiful. Majestic.
Majestic. There's one word. It's a beautiful.
This is our first true winter expedition, right?
It's a it's December 23rd.
Yeah, today is the
23rd of December, and it's all over. You can see it's snow. It's pure the winter. Nothing more you can't. Temperature is very low. Night would be very cold. Let's see how it goes. Till then, bye bye. It's 4:15 in the
morning.
in the evening, and it's beautiful sunshine, golden sunshine. Peaks are looking amazing. You can see.
Hello guys.
Okay. This is the best time for anything if you want to shoot. There's the sunset becoming, fellows. See, we are having
What
our
up?
breakfast.
Hot milk with butter
Bun
and
maska.
bun.
Bun maska. Oh, it's finished. It's
Yeah.
a butter. It's a bun.
Bun maska.
So we are planning to move ahead as soon as possible and taking all the gear required for climbing up the Kol if possible. And weather is pretty decent, not too much cloudy, very cloudy, not very bad, but it's cold outside. And let's see how it goes. And okay, it has been 1 hour since we started our climb from a camp. There's Jagatsuk and the beautiful glaciers.
Good morning, sorry guys. This is the ridge which leads to Dongan Cole in the distance. Varuna and Amit assessing the time it will take us supposedly to reach there, which is more than we apprehended or we thought it would. So I don't think it is possible to climb this today itself. And if we even make a, try, we have to stay at tent at least, because it will be noon at least when we reach the top. So guys, this is the view from there. Yeah, all the peaks and the distance. The others are in the background, and the Otiba with its glacier there. With this I finish the video. Take care, bye.
Okay. This is the place where you need to camp if you wish to attempt Cole. And is a proper, you can see, proper place to put up a tent. If you come in winters, then you can camp here, and there's a lot of snow, you can have lots of water. And from here, you can attempt the Cole and put up a next camp, your advanced base camp, your summit camp on behind the Cole. Presently, we'll be going up till there as there's a forecast for snow tomorrow, and we'll be heading back from here. As the distance from here, it will take approximately 1 hour to reach the base of the Cole. At least it will take around 2 to 3 hours or more than that to climb the Cole. So if we try to attempt today, so we won't be able to make it back today itself. As you can see, it's also forecasted, and so here we are. It's a beautiful place, fulfilling and satisfying climb. So that's all. This was nice. So I've come a little forward, and I'll be going till there just to have a clear view of the inclination of the Cole. And then they are sitting 15 minutes behind me, so I'll be going back. So after this short excursion.
Good morning. Good morning. Here we are at the base of the Dongan Cole at 4600 meters, and we are about to go back from here, because we have learned from here that it will take another camp, another day, and many things to do the Dongan Cole, and after that the Otiba. Next time when we come in
Most probably
next season, we'll be doing this the easy way.
We'll be prepared better. The altitude for this side is approximately 44, 45. Watch is showing 43.80, but there's always a error of 200 meters, so it could be around 45 something. Okay, so now we are heading back. It's all soft snow. Now, these two are trying to disassemble the tent. It's very windy, too windy, and cold also. I'm sitting on the outers so that it doesn't blow off. If it's not windy, then it's good. But if it's windy, then it's hard to kill you. इसको पकड़ भाई, ला रहा हूँ बैग में, क्या कर रहा है? वो डाल दिए हैं, वो एक बैग ही बचे। Okay, we are ready to go back. All packed.
All packed, and it's chilly. It's chilly here. You can see my hands. They are, blackish blue. You can see, and it's 1:30 in the noon. So we must say it is a good day to go back. And see, Manchanda forgot his ice axe, so he's packing it again. Uh, this area really looks like a area from the age of dinosaurs, and I've been saying this since yesterday. And Mr. Amit Thakur, and see in the distance our porters are there. We'll be heading back soon after them. It's very cold, really cold, and the final view of everything. A short video. Okay, I'm showing you this frozen river crossing, and this is around 3 feet of deep waters running beneath these frozen ice. And but you have to take the risk anyhow. And while I'm making this video, I'm trying to walk over the ice, which is very slippery. In this video, see, Amit is going tapping snow slowly, and Varun is also doing the same with their sticks and trying to get over it. Now it will be soon my time. It is tough from there, so I'll be going also. I'll be showing you. See, it's tough. It's tough. It's tough. It's very tough. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. Very tough. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. Yeah, there's no point going from here. We can go from other side also. मित्तू आजा आजा, इतनी मेहनत मत कर. इतनी हाँ, आगे से नहीं हो सकती. सुनो, वहाँ से पीछे से नहीं हो सकती प्लीज़. वहाँ से देखो, उस आइस से चले जाओ और वहाँ से चले जाओ, वो बेस्ट है. मित्तू बात मान, यहाँ से जाओ, इस चीज़ से ऊपर उधर वहीं से आए थे हम, वहाँ से उधर से. मित्तू यार तू वो नहीं है, इतने से पत्थर है तेरे पाँव, उसी टाइम बदला मार के अंदर चल जाएगा. यार मानते नहीं एक तो. चलो मैं वीडियो बंद कर रहा हूँ, ये लोग सुन नहीं रहे. चलो ठीक है फिर. ओके, ना विल बी क्रॉसिंग फ्रॉम देयर. It's not possible to cross it from here. It's very risky.
Okay, it's 5:46 Saturday, and we are about to reach Chika. I hope you can. I'll zoom in. Sorry. There's Chika. We have been walking since 1:30 from Tenta. So I'll be making next video at Chika. Okay. We have reached Chika. It's around 6:15, and my knee is hurting very bad, and my feet also. We have been walking since 8 o'clock. Had only breakfast, nothing much, and some energy bars. Now I wish to change my clothes. Have something warm. It was a demanding trip. That's all.
Yo boys!
It's been
We're
a long
back.
day.
We are
Long
so
day.
back.
Okay. We are making food. Yes,
Varun is making food.
Varun is making food, sorry.
Only
I'm
Varun is
resting.
making food.
And this is a
Yeah,
stove.
we are making food.
There's the
Only
man.
Varun is making food.
And there's a hot chimney. And we are in a warm atmosphere. And Mr. Sunny is busy in finding something to eat. And I am resting.
भाई डेली रेडी. मैं चंदे उठा दे इसको यहाँ से. उठा दे इसको यहाँ से, हो गई है.
Good morning. Last night it snowed here, and thank God we are at Chika. If we would have been at other places other than Chika, it would have been very difficult to get down here, as it is very cold and it's difficult to find the path. So we'll be heading down soon. We have just packed up and it's 7:30, approximately 7:30 in the morning. We'll go down till the Hydro Park Weir side, Dongan Weir side, and call for a taxi to come and pick us up. If somehow the road is blocked, then we'll be walking another 10 kilometers down till the main road. That's all. That's the plan. Let's see. And it's very cold out.
Hi Thakur, it's fresh snow, about half a foot, and we are lucky that we were here and didn't stop in between. Although we were planning, our Gorkha suggested that we should stop in between at Seri, but we continued, and this proves the decision was right. It's very cold and it's going to snow again. Lots of things are there about which we are not sure right now, like whether we have to go to Manali on foot or we'll be having the luxury of the car. Let's see. It's all exciting, but only when we get the car. otherwise it will be. See, this is where we came from, and if it is 6 inches here, at tent it would be 3 feet. So better, we were lucky this time that we were not rescued, and we are rescuing ourselves. Okay, bye, take care, bye.
Chal.
What's up?
We are moving ahead. All the snow makes little snow is fun to walk. And we are kind of enjoying the descent. And look, the snow is only at a certain point, and after that there won't be any snow. And we are hoping that we're hoping that the roads are clear and the taxi can come and pick us up from the point where they have left us. Okay, I'll put my cell phone in my pocket. Don't wish to drop this in snow. Both of them, Abhishek and Varun, are coming. We are about to reach Dongan Weir side, and it's nice. It's nice to walk. First snow of the season, and we are enjoying the snow while our way back to Manali.
Now this is the bridge which connects us to the civilization, and Manchandra's back to the civilization, and he's so happy. And these are the beautiful mountains because we are through them, so these are beautiful now, and everything else is also very beautiful now. Now we are a bit of relieved from the tension that we'll be stuck here, and finally we'll have to call a rescue, but that won't happen for now with this and this video. Bye, take care.
Okay, this would be the last video of this trip, and our ride is here, and we are almost ready to leave, and this would be a great Christmas for us, a snow-filled Christmas. And it has been a great trip all in total. We had an amazing experience, and it was great. That's all. It was great. Thank you.